Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Now the video is on similarity, the ratio of areas of two triangles. We see earlier video the properties of the ratio of areas of two triangles. Now we revision it for solving practice set 1.1. The first property you know that the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. If we take triangle ABC and triangle PQR and their bases and heights are B1, H1, B2, H2, then by this property we have the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. हेच मराठीत सांगायचं असेल तर दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या पाया आणि उंचीच्या गुणाकाराच्या गुणोत्तराबरोबर असते. जर आपण त्रिकोण ABC आणि त्रिकोण PQR असे दोन त्रिकोण धरले आणि त्यांचे B1, H1, B2, H2 असे पाया आणि उंची धरलं तर त्या दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर B1 गुणिले H1 भागिले B2 गुणिले H2 यांचा भागाकार असतो. नाउ you know that the property number 2, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Again we take triangle ABC and triangle PQR and their bases and heights B1, H1, B2, H2. Now here the heights are equal, therefore the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to B1 divided by B2. That means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 divided by B2. Now the property number 3, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Here bases are equal, therefore the ratios of areas of these two triangles is ratio of their corresponding heights. That means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to H1 divided by H2. And property number 4, if the bases and heights are equal of two triangles, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to 1:1, or the areas of two triangles are equal if their bases and heights are same. These are the four properties. By using these four properties, now we have to solve the practice set 1.1. आपणाला या चार प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर करून प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मधील गणित सोडवायचे आहेत. मग या प्रॉपर्टीज म्हणजेच तुम्हाला गणित सोडवण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युले आहेत, ते तुम्हाला पाठ पाहिजेत. मग आता या पद्धतीमध्ये तुम्हाला बेस कोणता आहे आणि हाईट कोणती आहे हे त्या ट्रायंगलमध्ये माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. इन फिगर BC perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. See in the figure, the base of triangle ABC is AB and BC is the height. In triangle ADB, AB is again base and AD is the height. That means these two triangles of equal bases and different heights. Therefore, by property number 2, which is the property number 2, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to BC divided by AD. Bases are equal, hence area is proportional to heights. But we have given BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Taking these values and solving, we have the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1/2. Now the example number first in practice set 1.1. See here, base of triangle is 9, height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. We take B1 and H1 as the base and height of first triangle and B2 and H2 as the base and height of second triangle. Here B1 is equal to 9, H1 is equal to 5, B2 is equal to 10, H2 is equal to 6. Therefore, area of first angle divided by area of second triangle is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2 by property first. Which is the property first? The ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their products of the product of their bases and heights. Therefore, area of first angle divided by area of second triangle is equal to 9 into 5 divided by 10 into 6, putting the values of B1, H1, B2, H2. Hence, we have the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 3 by 4. Now, in second example, in adjoining figure, sec PS perpendicular to sec RQ, sec QT perpendicular to sec PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 10, then find QT. In this figure, triangle PQR is the one triangle. There are different bases and different heights to be given to this triangle PQR, but first base and height of that triangle we have area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into QR into PS. By solving it, we have the area of triangle PQR is equal to 18 square unit. Again, the area of triangle PQR by taking base and height different, that means PR and QT. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into PR into QT. That means taking values of area of triangle PQR and PR, we have 18 is equal to 1 by 2 into 12 into QT. Solving it, we get QT is equal to 3 units. Now the third example in practice set 1.1. In adjoining figure, AP perpendicular to BC, AD parallel to BC, then find area of triangle ABC as to area of triangle BCD. In the problem, triangle ABC and triangle BCD seen in figure, these two triangles are based in parallel lines, therefore their heights are equal, and these two triangles have same base, that is segment BC. Therefore, by property number 4, these two triangles are of equal heights and equal bases. Therefore, area of these two triangles is equal to 1:1. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Thanks. And the last example, you solve it at the home. That is your homework. Thank you.